In this video we're unboxing and installing Subaru Impreza lower control arm ball joints. Display of lower control arm ball joints. Lower control arm ball joint pair. New lock nut and cotter pin. Tools used for installing Subaru Impreza lower control arm ball joints. Large electric impact wrench, ball joint separator, hammer, flathead screwdriver, large ratchet wrench, needle nose pliers, large short extension bar, large torque wrench, large 22mm socket, large 19mm deep socket, large 14mm deep socket, wheel lock socket due to factory wheel locks. Use a 19mm deep socket with a torque wrench to loosen lug nuts. Since the car has factory wheel locks, use the factory wheel lock socket for removal. Lift the vehicle. Use a 19mm long socket with an electric impact wrench and a wheel lock socket to remove the wheel lug nuts. Remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Use a 14mm long socket with a short extension and electric impact wrench to remove the nut off the stabilizer link. Remove the nuts. Use needle nose pliers to remove the cotter pin off the lower control arm ball joint. Remove the cotter pin. Use a 19mm long socket with an electric impact wrench to remove the nut off the lower control arm and ball joint. Remove the nut. Reinstall the nut, tighten it flush only, do not over tighten. Use a ball joint separator to disconnect the lower control arm from the steering knuckle. Use the ball joint separator with a 22mm short socket and a ratchet wrench to separate the control arm from the ball joint. Install the ball joint separator tool. Use a 22mm short socket and a ratchet wrench for disassembly. Remove the ball joint separator and wrench. Remove the nut. Separate lower control arm from the steering knuckle. Use a 14mm deep socket with a short extension and electric impact wrench to remove the bolt connecting lower control arm ball joint to the steering knuckle. Remove the bolt. Move the steering knuckle and take out the ball joint. Comparison between the old and new lower control arm ball joints. Due to prolonged use, the old lower control arm ball joints had velvet play, causing abnormal noises while driving. Therefore, we replaced the lower control arm ball joints. Use a screwdriver with a hammer to widen the insulation gap for the ball joint, making installation easier. Widen the insulation gap. Install the new lower control arm ball joint. Remove the flathead screwdriver. Install the lower control arm onto the ball joint. Install the locking bolt for the ball joint and steering knuckle. Place the bolt. Use a 14mm deep socket with a short extension and electric impact wrench to tighten the bolt for the lower ball joint and steering knuckle. Use a 14mm deep socket with a short extension and a torque wrench to tighten the bolt for the lower ball joint and steering knuckle. Tighten torque, 60 Nm or 44 foot-pounds. Install the nut. Use a 19mm long socket with a torque wrench to tighten the locking nut for the lower control arm, ball joint, and the lower control arm. Tighten torque 50 Nm or 37 foot-pounds. After tightening, rotate the nut to align with the cotter pin installation position. The holes are now aligned. Install the cotter pin. Bend the cotter pin downward and continue to tighten the nut. Install the nut for the stabilizer link. Use a 14mm deep socket with a short extension and electric impact wrench to tighten the nut for the stabilizer link. Use a 14mm deep socket with a torque wrench to tighten the nut for the stabilizer link. Tightening torque, 50 Nm or 37 foot-pounds. Install the wheel. Replace the wheel lug nuts. Use the wheel lock socket with a 19mm deep socket and electric impact wrench to tighten the wheel lug nuts. Lower the vehicle. Use a wheel lock socket with a 19mm deep socket and a torque wrench to tighten the wheel lug nuts. Tightening torque, 150 Nm or 111 foot-pounds.